Guys, today I shall give you class on the topic that is relief of India. Relief means in geography and geology the elevation of the earth's surface from the sea level, and it is very important concept in geography and geology. Without relief you can't write geography of any particular region. India, as you know, it is a very vast country and comprising in 3.28 million square kilometer. 3.28 million square kilometer. Million square kilometer. Consisting various types of land features. Various types of land features means some parts are covered by mountain, some are covered by plateau region, and some are covered by plain area, including different types of seas, river basins, and maybe ponds, etc. But as you know that India, it is extending, especially in a very unique physiographic scene, that northern parts is surrounded by the Himalayas mountain, southern part by the Indian Ocean, and remote left hand side may be surrounded by Arabian Sea, and remote eastern parts by Bay of Bengal. This is the scenario, this is the map of India. India, although it is a seventh largest parts, but comprising very vivid physiographic features. The northern part of India, which is surrounded by the mountainous region, and India, on the basis of having complex physiographic features, can be divided into following parts. Number first, that is one number, Himalayas mountain in the north, Himalayas mountain in the north. Number two, that is Indo-Gangetic plain area, Indo-Gangetic plain area. Third one, southern peninsular India. And fourth one, coastal island. Now, let us move to Himalayas mountain in the north. It extends in the remote northern part of India, and it is in shape of arc or sword, maybe cord also, and it has built in different stages. It has built in 3 stages, and that period is when Himalayas mountain was finally merged as in shape of mountain, was tertiary period, where in initial stage where Himalayas mountain is existing, that was a part of deep ocean. And it is very surprising fact that how deepest part of India was emerged as in shape of the loftiest mountain. यह बहुत ही राष्ट्र की बात है कि जो बहुत ही गहरा भाग था वह गगनचुंबी पर्वतों में कैसे बन गया, and it depends upon mystery of nature. यह प्रकृति का रहस्य है। मैंने आपसे ये कहा कि इन स्टार्टिंग स्टेज इंडिया वेर हिमालयस माउंटेन इज एग्जिस्टिंग, यह टैथिज महासागर था और टैथिज महासागर में लगातार मलबा का, डेब्रिस का डिपोजिशन हुआ। वह डिपोजिशन अंगारा लैंड और गोंडवाना लैंड से लाए गए डेब्रिस के जमाव से हुआ। फर्स्ट स्टेज, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पीरियड ऑफ लिथोजेनेसिस, का निर्माण हो गया। नाउ लेट अस सी how the Himalayas mountain has built. As I have uttered in my class that today where Himalayas mountain is existing, that was a part of deep ocean and its name was Tethys Ocean. Now the questions behind it, from where, how can a ocean areas can uplifted as in shape of loftiest mountain, and for this geologist have given sufficient evidence, and that evidence may be submergence theory. What happened? From the highland materials were deposited in the Tethys Ocean, and after that, after a long time, during especially in tertiary period, it has recently converted as the loftiest mountain. Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Dhaulagiri, Nanda Beta, these are important peaks of the Himalayas mountain. And it is also protecting our country from the cold wind which will make our land totally as icy land which comes from Siberia, and that's why it is also protecting us. And Himalayas mountain has built in 3 stages. That stages may be called as period of lithogenesis. Period of lithogenesis, lithogenesis. In this period, what happened? That materials from highland were deposited. Suppose this were in this way. That is called as first stage of mountain building. And after first stage, what happened? In the second stage, 2 types forces exerted on the surface of mountain, that were tension and pressure. Owing to that, there were formation of bulging, and such type of shape was called as second stage. And in the third stage, it has finally emergence as in shape of mountain. Okay, I have drawn one figure. In the what happened, such type of bulging in the Himalayas mountain was in the symptom of third stage, and the uplifted part was called as anticline, and depressed part was called as syncline. It means Himalayas mountain has built in different period, and these period of lithogenesis, period of orogenesis, and finally in the glyptogenesis it has emerged as in shape of mountain. And in the next video I shall discuss with you the plain area and southern peninsular India and coastal island